Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you've entered incorrect pin several times and Windows 11 locks your PC and you don't know how to proceed further. So I've got you and I've got a fix for this, so make sure you stick till the end of this video so you won't miss out any step. So how to do this, let's get started. When you're on this screen, at the bottom right you'll see these options. Just click on this accessibility option and then click on screen keyboard. Just turn this on and it will give you a keyboard which will appear on your front of your screen. Now you have to type this code. When it says to try again, enter this code below. So you just have to type this code with the same exact capital or small letters. So just type this code. Once you do this, it will unlock your pin and then you have to enter your pin correctly. After this, it will load into your system and unlock your system. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.